Most people think tracking a Walmart order is just about checking a delivery date, but that's where they go wrong. Here's the truth no one tells you. Walmart tracking actually gives you detailed live updates, but only if you know where to look and what each status really means. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to track a Walmart order in 2026 step by step, how to understand tracking statuses, what to do if your order stops updating, and how to avoid confusion with delayed deliveries. And stick around, because in a minute I'll show you the one tracking status that makes people panic for no reason. Let's start with the basics. Walmart, the retail giant Walmart, uses a mix of in-store fulfillment, warehouses, and delivery partners to ship orders. That's why tracking can sometimes look different depending on what you bought. Step 1 is simple. Open the Walmart app or website and log into your account. Go to Purchase History. This is where all your recent orders are listed. Tap on the order you want to track. Once you open it, you'll see the current status. This is where most people stop, but you shouldn't, because the real information is inside the tracking details. Now tap on Track Shipment or View Details. This is where you'll see real updates like preparing, shipped, out for delivery, or delivered. But here's where it gets interesting. Each status actually tells you something important about what's happening behind the scenes. If it says preparing, your order is still being packed. If it says shipped, it means it's left the warehouse or store. Out for delivery means it's with a courier and arriving soon. And delivered means it has been dropped off at your address or pickup location. Now here's the problem most people run into. They panic when tracking doesn't update for a few hours or even a day. But that's normal. Some shipments, especially those handled by third-party carriers, don't update in real time. The package is still moving, even if the app looks frozen. In some cases, you might also see tracking links that redirect to carrier websites. That's normal too. Walmart sometimes uses external delivery services depending on your location and item type. Now let's talk about a situation that confuses almost everyone. If your order says delayed, it doesn't always mean something went wrong. It usually means the package is still in transit but running behind schedule. Weather, traffic, or warehouse delays can all affect timing. And here's a useful trick. If your tracking hasn't updated in over 48 hours, don't just wait blindly. Go into your order details and check the support or help section. You can often request an update or contact support directly from there. Another smart tip is to turn on notifications in the Walmart app. This way, you'll get instant updates instead of manually checking every time. So let's quickly break it down. Go to Purchase History. Open your order, tap Tracking Details, and read each status carefully. Don't panic if updates pause, and always check carrier links if available. Most tracking issues are not actual problems. They're just delays in system updates. And now you understand what each status really means, so you're ahead of most shoppers already. If this helped you understand how to track your Walmart orders the right way, hit like, drop a comment with your experience, and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides just like this.